Hi, I'm Tom, owner of Pour Inc., a mobile bartending service based in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And today we're going to be crafting an eggnog. Let's get going. We're going to get right into it. We're going to start by cracking our egg right into our shaker tin. With eggnog, you're going to use the whole egg. If you check out other videos of ours, we do have some that just use egg white. But when we're making an eggnog, we want to use that yolk and that egg white. Make sure not to get any shells in there. We're then going to add 1 ounce of simple syrup. We're using a Turbinado simple syrup, which has a little more caramel flavor to it. We're going to do 1 ounce of that. We're then going to add 2 ounces of heavy cream. You can use almond milk, you can use 2% milk. I'm going with something a little thicker to make that really frothy. We're now going to add 2 ounces of bourbon. We're now going to shake our cocktail. So we're gonna add ice. The smaller shaker tin in a 2-shaker set is a measuring device and is great for telling you just the right amount of ice to put in your cocktail. Now we are gonna be shaking this cocktail twice, so we're gonna start with a short shake, which is roughly 3 seconds. You're gonna dump your ingredients into the tall shaker and shake away. Now we're gonna use our Hawthorne Strainer. We're gonna strain all the ingredients back into the short tin. We're gonna shake this once again, but with an eggnog, you usually are gonna wanna whip or whisk that egg. We're actually gonna be using the spring in your Hawthorne Strainer. Make sure you dump the ice in the taller tin as well. So we're gonna take the spring right off of that strainer, drop it into the tall tin, pour your ingredients back in there as well. And then we're gonna do a long shake, which is roughly 10 seconds. We're then gonna grab our glass, which we have the festive moose mug. Now right here, you could be finished. You could garnish it with some nutmeg or a cinnamon stick, but we're gonna kick it up a notch. So we actually have a whipped cream canister, which we're gonna be infusing whipped cream with a maple rum and some bitters. If you do not have one of these devices, you can definitely just take a bowl and a whisk, some heavy cream and powdered sugar and just whip away. It will take longer, it will make your arm tired, so I do suggest going out and buying one of these bad boys. We're gonna be adding 4 ounces of our heavy cream. We're then gonna be adding 2 ounces of our maple rum from a local distillery here in Milwaukee called Great Lakes. And then we're gonna add 2 dashes of bitters. You can use Angostura. I'm using a Bittercube bitters called Cherry Bark Vanilla. I'm gonna add 2 dashes into the canister. And then finally, and a very important ingredient, we need powdered sugar. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Right in there, like that. I'm gonna cover it up. You want to shake it up a little bit just to get that sugar starting to mix in. And we're going to shock it once with one of the whippet canisters. Shake it up a little bit. Add our second one, and then we will be good to go. I know it's tempting to just pour it right into your mouth, but let's put it on the cocktail before we get too crazy here. So let's go nice and slow. Perfect. Couple little more touches. We're gonna add a little nutmeg. And we're gonna take a cinnamon stick. Let's start that bad boy on fire just to get the flavors really going. It's the holidays. Spread some cheer. Put it right in there. And there you have your Pour Inc. eggnog. Cheers. Holy crap, that's delicious.
Ho, ho, ho.